In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete chat history on WhatsApp from both sides. First, open WhatsApp on your phone and go to the Chats tab. This is where you see all your conversations. Find the chat you want to clear. It can be an individual chat or a group chat. Take a moment to double-check you've selected the right conversation, because once messages are deleted for everyone, you may not be able to get them back. Next, tap on the chat to open it. Scroll through and decide whether you want to delete a specific message, a few messages, or the entire conversation. If you only want to remove one or several messages, press and hold on the first message you want to delete. After a second, it should be highlighted, and you'll see a row of icons appear at the top of your screen. While you're still in selection mode, you can tap on other messages in the same chat to select multiple messages at once. Now, look for the trash can icon at the top and tap it. WhatsApp will show you a pop-up with different delete options. To remove the message from both sides of the chat, choose the option that says Delete for Everyone. This is the key setting that makes the message disappear not just from your phone, but also from the other person's chat. Remember, this only works within WhatsApp's time limit for deleting messages for everyone. So if the message is too old, you may only see Delete for Me. If you want to clear the entire chat, instead of individual messages, go back to the Chats list. On most phones, you can press and hold on the chat itself until it's selected. Then tap the trash can icon. Again, if WhatsApp gives you the option, choose Delete for everyone to remove messages from both sides where possible. If that option doesn't appear, it means those older messages can only be removed from your device. Keep in mind that if the other person is not using the latest version of WhatsApp, or if messages are already backed up, they might still see some of the history. Deleted messages can also show as "This message was deleted," so they'll know something was removed, even though they can't read it. Finally, review your remaining chats to make sure everything looks the way you want. Getting used to these options will help you manage your WhatsApp history more confidently and keep your conversations as clean and private as you need them to be.